Just getting started here, removing our little top to our creamy cheese. Oh, so good. Then we're gonna come in with a little bit of fresh spinach. Oh, you guys, we are making a one-pan meal and it is going to be so quick and so easy for dinner. We are gonna whip this up in no time, and let me tell you what, it is going to be fabulous. Okay, so we got some spinach in there, and now I'm gonna come in with some cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna leave these whole because they'll start to, cook, and then they're gonna be nice and juicy, and it's all good. If you wanna cut them up, it's fine, but if I were you, I would just leave them whole. And let's see, you know what? I'm just gonna add them all in there. That looks great. Now here I have some delicious fresh salmon, and I'm gonna place it just right here in the bottom of this pan, all to one side. Oh, this is gonna be delicious. I love some salmon, a nice, healthy, hearty meal. Now I have a little bit of minced garlic, because what would this be without garlic, right? All my garlic lovers out there, are there anyone that doesn't love garlic? Look, I'm just gonna stick a nice hopping couple spoonfuls right on top of that cheese, and that is just gonna bake right in there. Ooh, it's gonna be so good with the salmon and the veggies. My mouth is watering. All right, you guys, I have a little bit of extra virgin olive oil here, and watch what I'm gonna do with this. I am just gonna give this a nice, quick, little drizzle right on top of all of our spinach, our cherry tomatoes, the cheese, and of course, ooh, that salmon. I almost forgot about these capers, and I specifically got those for this dish. I really, really love capers, and sometimes I feel like I kind of forget about them, but the flavor and the burst of flavor that they bring to any seafood or pasta dish is just so good. So you can tell here that I'm just taking several spoonfuls of these capers, and I'm just kind of just spreading them around on top, you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is going to be delicious. Lastly, we have a little bit of pepper, and I love some pepper. I'm gonna really get that all on that salmon. That is going to just give a little bit more flavor, and off with those capers and this cheese and with a little bit of olive oil. It is just gonna be so fantastic, you guys. Everybody is gonna love this meal. I'm gonna pop it in the oven. Look at how easy that was and how delicious it looks. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to eat this, you guys. First, we're gonna cook it at 350. It's gonna cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and stick around because you're gonna love what we do with this next. Yummy. Look at how amazing that looks. Oh, the salmon, I love the capers. You can tell the cheese. Look at those tomatoes. They're all nice and roasted. Now this is the most satisfying part, right? We're just gonna come in here and we're gonna take our fork and we're just gonna start to smash this salmon apart. So, and it's so soft, so tender. This is super easy to do. It should just come right apart just like that. Oh, this healthy and hearty meal. You don't even have to worry about it, right? Use nice, healthy, hearty meal, super easy. Now we're gonna get in with that cheese and those tomatoes. And you know what? You can smash those tomatoes, getting some of that tomato sauce in with that cheese and that salmon, just mixing everything all together. Oof. That sauce looks creamy and tasty, and it's gonna go so good with what we are about to do next. Oh gosh, this looks great. Okay, now watch what we're gonna do. I have some angel hair pasta here. I'm throwing in some pasta noodles with this. Now, of course, any pasta noodles you wanna use is fine. I really like angel hair because it's so tiny that I just feel like it gets all of that good sauce and juiciness all up in those pasta noodles. This looks super yummy, creamy, and tasty. Not to mention that salmon is probably one of my favorite seafoods. I'm gonna come in here. Ooh, those capers. I almost forgot about those capers. I'm gonna get a little bit of noodles in here with that creamy, cheesy goodness, and I definitely wanna just grab some of these chunks of salmon. I'm gonna put that, look at that. Oh, yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about right here. Seafood is my ultimate favorite, you guys. I love seafood. Do you like seafood? Are you a seafood person, or are you more of a meat and potatoes person? I'm seafood all the way, all day. And that's what I got to say. All right, we're going in for it. A little noodly, cheesy goodness. Yum. Wow. You know what I really like? Besides the salmon, the capers, the tomatoes, and the spinach, all my favorite things. I love the tomatoes mixed in with that cheese. The sauce and the flavor of this is just so easy, so good. That's what I'm talking about right here, you guys. This one pan dinner is phenomenal. The whole family is gonna love this. Tell me what you guys think about this. Are you adding anything in? Are you taking anything out? I wanna hear all about it. Tell me in the comments, and we'll see you guys later.